October 2018 we visited People's Garden in Herne. We were amazed to see mother pig's newborn piglets about 1 or 2 weeks old. The piglets were thirsty and hungry, very hungry, and overcame mother pig to lay down. These pigs are an old breed that is nowadays not used in mass husbandry. It's a breed that is held by enthusiasts to preserve the breed in history.
Den haben wir gerade geholt, die sind schon wieder weg.
Ja, der Moritz interessiert sich da irgendwie
Ja,
so.
Pech.
Der 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wo die Ohren wohl noch oben stehen.
So, kannst du Part unterscheiden?
Besser aus als die anderen, oder?
Der eine kriegt nicht keine ab, dann.
Nee. Das geht ja überall rüber.
Oh, jetzt kriegt er nichts ab.
After 2 minutes the show is over and all piglets are repleted. Mama and Papa Pig are living in this small animal park since years. This is Papa Pig. And this is Mama Pig feeding from trees.
But jetzt kratzt hier der.
2017 Mama and Papa Pig had only 3 piglets. People's Garden Herne is a small animal park. Entrance is free. Opening time is daily 9 a.m. to 18 p.m. Animals in this park are canary birds, budgies, pigeons, chicken, dwarf chicken, ducks, pheasants, tarpans, dwarf goats, and the bigger white and brown German goats, and some old domestic breeds, for example the small black forest cows,